Throughout our working life, we have to create a resume or CV that details our work history, our experience, our skills and achievements, so that if we want to apply for a new job, a new position, we have to have this document up to date to provide to our potential employers. Usually, the way that we've always done it in the past, something that I want to encourage you to unlearn, is create a Word document, convert it to PDF and send it to the employers. Yes, that might still be the way that a lot of people request it, so I'm not saying that's not the way to do it anymore. I want to show you an alternative way of creating this resume or CV, whatever you want to call it. What I want to do is I've got my CV currently existing in a Word document, and I want to use a Microsoft 365 application called Microsoft Sway, which will take the Word document and convert it into a web page. That's what Sway is. Sway is an alternative to PowerPoint. It's a different way of presenting information in a presentation format. It's not replacing PowerPoint, it's just different. It's available online so that you don't have to have the application installed, which is why I could convert my CV that's currently in Word into a Sway, which is available online. So I can just send the link to the people that need to view my CV. And it literally can be done at the click of a button. So let's take a look now. Let's jump on the PC here. So here is my CV, my resume with all my work history going back as far as I started working. I want to convert this into this Microsoft Sway, into this online web page, this mini website about me, basically. All I would do, this is all I have to do, is go to File, go to Transform, across at the right hand side here, where it says Transform to Web Page. And with Sway, I'm not going to go into too much details about how it works today, but you can customize it. You can decide how you want it to look and feel. It'll give you a few suggested styles here. So if I just pick one just for demonstration purposes, if I pick this one, press transform again, it may take a few seconds just to do its thing, really, but it will convert everything that's in that Word document into this Sway, this online web page as part of Microsoft 365. And then I can customize it. Like I said, I can move things around, I can change the style, the font, I can add in pictures. Depending on my job, if I've got a portfolio that includes videos, I can embed videos into this Sway, into my online resume, really. So here it is. Let's have a look. You can, of course, customize it, like I said, but it's taken all the details in here and it's pulled it into this online web page, this Microsoft Sway. And yes, as I mentioned, you can edit it. I won't go into too much detail here. I'll do that in another video, but this is how Sway works. It uses cards and you can put content on the cards. Like PowerPoint, how you have slides and content on the slides. This is how this works. So very quickly, let me add a picture. It says a logo here, but because it's all about me, the logo will be me. I'll put that in. And as I mentioned, you can add in video content, any content into this. And when you want to share it with people, you don't have to send an attachment via an email. You can click on share and you can choose how you want to share it. Okay, you can get all the sharing options here. And what's so good about that is if it ever changes, if you change your resume, if you want to reword it, rechange it, add other things in, if these people already have the link, if you change it, their link is going to remain the same, so that will change according to what you've changed in the existing material, so you don't have to keep resending it each time. They will always have an up-to-date copy of your resume. So now that I've made a couple of changes here, let's just press play And the only change that I made there was adding in my image as the logo. And there it is. Simple as that. If I edit it again, just to briefly show you how you can change the style of it. So if I go across to the design tab here, look at the styles. You can make it go vertical, horizontal, the way it scrolls through it. You can even just randomly shuffle it, randomly remix it. I'm not going to say how this is going to look, but it's changed the look in an instant, and I can customize it as much or as little as I want. I'm going to hit remix again just because I love it. So some are better than others. I guess it all depends on what you want to design from it. One more time, why not? Okay, it's back to that one, but slightly different font. And that's really it. It's as simple as that. On a separate note, really, I can even then export it from here as a PDF. So if they did want a Word copy or a PDF copy, they can do it if they really want, once you've sent them the link to this. So Microsoft Sway, it's such a great application. It's used a lot for newsletters, brochures. It's just a different way of presenting information. And hopefully, as you've witnessed in this video, it's so easy if you've got something that exists already to convert it into that Sway. So look out for other videos that I'll be doing detailing more about the features of Sway. But for now, it's as simple as that to convert an existing resume in a Word document into an online web page.